So it's raining and we're vlogging.
It's like every parking lot is full and we have to like park far away from the restaurant.
So where are we going?
We're going to Johnny's Snack Bar today. I've never been. It sounds interesting. Nice little place. The menu looks pretty good, paper menu, and prices seem pretty decent. So we're gonna try it out. It's right across the street though.
Do we mention it's raining?
It's a little drizzle.
And just because it's December, look, Christmas trees.
Merry Christmas.
Completely unrelated to this vlog, but have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Yeah, this December doesn't even feel like December. Like, it's warm out. I don't even know why I'm on this.
Yeah, it's raining instead of snowing. So that's weird. Are we gonna get across this?
This is gonna be the hardest part.
I think we're gonna have to go up here to the lights.
Oh, look at that one.
Try and wipe the lens.
Elon.
Yeah. I wore the wrong coat.
We got a Pepsi sign too, it's a throwback.
That's old school.
That's funny too. Alright, good.
Let's go. So we got our menus.
We do. Everything is all penned in with ink. So the menu varies. So it's cool. I love it. They got all kinds of old school graphics on it.
But it's double-sided, so how are you gonna decide?
I know, like this is worse than IHOP.
I'm gonna get the club sandwich and it's gonna look just like that.
It's gotta look exactly like it. Else I'm complaining.
Can't wait.
What do I get? Cheeseburger, a chicken burger deluxe, a cheeseburger deluxe. Whoa, that's deluxe. Isn't deluxe like a fish and chips place? Like New Brunswick or something? It's a thing. I've been there one time. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. 4 pieces of fish, wow, that's crazy. I go for the 2-piece fish. It might be a fish and chip kind of thing.
I was just saying I like these little cups.
Tiny little cups with the can. The can cups.
They're cute little cups. Cute little cups.
Shout out to Johnny's for having cute little cups.
Somebody got coffee.
I got coffee. It's like the second I stepped in here, I'm just like, this gets me the IHOP vibe. I just got coffee. Any breakfast place, any diner, I just think IHOP. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna get canceled. It's like, that's an American tree and this is a local diner. Salt or sugar, we'll find out. I like to live life dangerously.
Wouldn't this be salt?
Salt. The bigger cup is always sugar and the smaller one is always salt. Just so y'all know.
This vlog is educational and sometimes entertaining.
There you go, it's the salt vlog. Welcome back. Got my warm coffee on this warm
Did you just
rainy
pour
day.
that all over yourself?
I think I did. You didn't see that. Nobody saw. You're gonna cut this part out, right?
No,
right?
this part gets uploaded directly to Twitter.
What? No. This can't be one of the clips.
Say hi to Twitter.
Hey folks, nice to see you. I wonder what the newest drama is gonna be when this is uploaded. Whoa. Wonder if Elon's taking it down yet.
Johnny's at the clubhouse. Abby got the fish and chips.
Pretty good sized fish.
Looks well done, which is good.
Fishy.
He's tweeting something.
Tweeting about the fish. Look at that meaty fish. Nice level of batter to fish ratio. I love it. It's not like those restaurants where they have like 80% batter, 20% fish. That's not a lot. We got nice crispy fish with some tartar sauce. Kraft tartar sauce, good kind. That didn't go on camera, so that's good.
No, it was off camera, so.
Off the record. Fries, tartar sauce, through the tartar test. That's good. Kraft has got good tartar sauce. Passes the sauce test. Should I got something with the egg so I can do the yolk test? No, I gotta do it like this.
It's like you're doing the yolk test, but you have no yolk.
No yolk. Fish. Tartar sauce. Something. Wow. Yep. That's good fish. You get the meat first. You don't. The batter is very light and crispy. I love that. It's not like overwhelming. You get most of the fish in the first bite too. This is great.
Fries are really good.
Nice and crispy and fresh.
Nothing worse than when you go somewhere and they rush the fries. Not here. They're well done. They're good.
I don't see a single limp fry. Look how solid this fry is. Nice, long, stiff, perfect length. It's not a limp fry. It's not soggy.
Whoa, Daddy. Slow down.
You gotta cut that part out.
Slow it down.
I was thinking about treating
Getting a little too friendly with those fries.
These are good fries.
So I didn't eat it on camera because it's just way too messy, but there's tomato, lettuce, bacon, and chicken, and it's really good. A little bit of mayo on there, and it's going to be a very filling sandwich. Yum yum.
Yeah, it's probably one of the best fish and chips I've had because it's nice. Like, it's mostly fish. I mean, that's batter. Batter's crispy. You get what you need, and it's only $11.75. It's funny because we were deciding to eat at the mall food court. You go to the Chinese place and you pay $13.75 for a shitty combo, and it's not good. You regret it after. So I'm glad we made the decision to come to Johnny's.
Get a video of the place.
Yeah, that was a pretty meaty fish. It was delicious. I'm gonna take my time to eat it now. I'm taking a little break. A little coffee and fish, you know. But that was good. That was good food. Johnny's Snack Bar. I highly recommend this place.
Okay.
Yeah, my clubhouse sandwich is really good. I recommend it as well. Wasn't crazy with the coleslaw, but coleslaw's hit or miss everywhere. So.
That's true. Like, I don't even have high expectations for any coleslaw. Talking about coleslaw, remember the one KFC used to have? The one that's neon green? I still wonder how they made it that color. I still don't know.
They got rid of it for a reason.
They're all like, some of these people mutated after they ate this.
Johnny's was good.
2 thumbs up. Thanks for suggesting that to the person whoever did it.
You don't even remember who said?
I have to go back to like 3 months back on Twitter.
Oh, right.
I just remember
That was a
like
while
someone
ago.
said it. It's actually longer than 3 months. I have no idea. It's probably back in August.
Oh,
Well, once I find out, I will credit it.
Blog.dagleymedia.com. Watch more episodes. It's loud. I doubt you can hear me.
Watch every episode. This one with Woody too.
Yeah, from last year.
Yeah, we should do one this year too.
I have to go back.
Big Mac Mall season.
All right, see ya. Actually, did you want to do it?
Yeah. Goodbye, y'all. I'm just gonna grab one of these Christmas trees here. I don't got one yet. My Christmas tree is just a plant that I put lights on. So yeah. Might as well. Look at that. That's a perfect Christmas tree. Nice and little.